I'm coming back to one of my most favorite places in the world, Iceland. Did I say how much I love coming to Iceland? But not only am I going to get to come back to, well, one of my most favorite places, but I'm getting to come back and do something that I absolutely love to do. And this thing that I love to tell people how to do and teach them how to do is how to tell a great visual story. And I'm going to be doing my workshop called Tell a Vision, all about, how to learn how to tell a fantastic visual story. One of the things that we're going to learn right away, and people get a little bit scared about this, and there's really no reason to be scared about this, is how to draw stories, how to draw pictures, how to get up to a whiteboard, a flip chart, whatever, and draw something. So in television, we're going to cover a whole bunch of basic fundamentals that'll get you ramped up in drawing like really fast, way faster than you could ever imagine. People are going to be so impressed. They're going to say, hey, did you go to art school? But there's a lot more to a good visual story than being able to draw something. So what are we talking about here? There's all kinds of techniques that go along with telling a visual story, and one is the actual delivery of it. How do you deliver it? How do you animate it? How do you bring it to life? And a little secret here, television actually stands for kind of the basic underlying principles of telling any kind of good visual story. We have the tell piece, which is the soundtrack. You need to have a soundtrack. A soundtrack? Yep, you create a soundtrack with your own voice every time you tell a story. Then we have the middle part, which is the A, which stands for animation. Animation, are you kidding me? I'm not a cartoonist. No. I'm going to teach you, wow, really, it's an ancient technique in all cultures. They all use it with their visual storytelling and their oral traditions. The last piece of television is this piece over here we call the vision. The vision, yeah, it's the picture that you're using. Super top secret. That vision piece over here isn't just made up of two-dimensional images you have on a wall or on a flip chart or a whiteboard or something like that. It can also be made up of three-dimensional objects. We're going to get into that. Did I say already it's going to be a lot of fun? Did I say how much I love coming to Iceland? And super huge thanks, extremely good friend, Mr. Ingvar Jonsson. Did I say Mr. Ingvar Jonsson? For asking me to come through Profectus and provide this workshop. I'm really so looking forward to seeing you at television. This isn't like other workshops you've ever been to. Thanks. Looking forward to seeing you there, and thank you. Or back. Warning. There's going to be a lot of music played in this session because guess what? We have a lot of fun.